Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Buse and today I will be teaching you how to cook Turkish green beans. I start by washing my green beans. I use 600 grams of beans in this recipe. After removing the heads, I slice my green beans into 2 or 3 pieces each. Afterwards, we will finally dice 1 onion. We will peel the skin of 2 tomatoes and dice them finely as well. Let's start our stove and put 2 tablespoons of olive oil or sunflower oil in the pot once the pot is heated. Add the diced onions and saute them until they are translucent. Next, we will add 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste onto our translucent onions and mix them together properly. To this mixture, we will add half a teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. We shall continue frying our mixture and we will add the chopped tomatoes. After cooking the tomatoes for 1 or 2 minutes, let's add the fresh beans that we sorted and mix well. Add 2 cloves of garlic to this and continue mixing. Decrease your heat to low, close the lid of the pot until the beans are cooked properly. At this stage, do not forget to stir occasionally. Your beans will begin to change color and soften. After they are well sauteed, add 2 cups of hot water to the beans and let them cook. Now that your beans are soft, our meal is ready to be served. You can serve this dish hot or warm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal! See you next video.